UppLabs is US-based fintech software development company that specializes in digital transformation and remote teams management. Our company was founded in 2014, and at this moment we also have offices in Ukraine, Israel and Switzerland. We enjoy facing challenges and believe that education can make a person better in many aspects. With UppLabs, your business easily overcomes technical challenges all the way, from ideation to project post-production, maintenance and support. You will meet the industry standards and requirements on every step of product and process development, as we offer high-level software development expertise in Fintech and health tech. Your product will always be modern and competitive regarding the visual side and easy to maintain and support from the technical side, as we follow the latest trends and the best practices in technologies and use them in our work. By going an extra mile for each of our clients, they obtain more than just software development. With UppLabs, you can launch a new web or mobile application for your business, rebuild your legacy system, get a sophisticated fintech solution, or grow your engineering team by our developers. Get the most of fintech with UppLabs. Open banking or credit reference agencies integration, AI and machine learning based fintech solutions, money transaction platform engineering, payment system integration and optimization, fintech web and mobile development, online trading and exchanging platform engineering. Also, with UppLabs, you will get timely technical support and a high level of maintenance in the following services: IT consultation for businesses and development teams who search for extra developers. It's your perfect backup. With the help of the latest technology stacks, we are creating solutions or improving your existing ones that streamline your business operation and deliver values. Get a unique mobile application for all devices, both iOS and Android mobile and tablets. Hire highly experienced and result-oriented developers who are focused on the success and the needs of your business, who follow your team and company process and work as your remote team. Receive proper support and maintenance. Modernize the architecture of your product to guarantee its easy integration with fintech and other services. If you need a team of engineers or custom product development in other industries, UppLabs is happy to offer you healthcare solutions for your business, development of HIPAA-compliant and secure software, VR and AR healthcare software development, complex system integration with medical devices and medical software, digital transformation solutions, automation for business process and solution, digitizing your idea or business. We craft unique robotic process automation solutions. UppLabs is ready to go an extra mile to deliver the top software solution and achieve your goals. For your business, UppLabs engineers are able to provide quality design thinking and understanding user behavior to implement top solutions. Come up with innovative ideas for newly launched or existing businesses in order to digitize their needs. Provide IT consulting for small and medium businesses of different industries to build tech strategy of implementation their solutions. Develop top-notch web and mobile application of different purposes. Cover the gap in development and fix other software development companies' missteps. Have a clear vision and understanding the needs of stakeholders and your competitive advantage on the market. Have a solid tech expertise in fintech domain that helps to avoid pitfalls and stay efficient. Ensure transparency, regular status updates, and direct access to every team member. UppLabs is a perfect companion to lift you up.